Hello, I'm Isaac. Yeah, I'm sorry for it's been a long time, but I didn't mean to. It was not my intention. Now we are going to learn about the use of connectors in suchlike. Okay, and I think you are going to understand more about the use of connectors, the words which are used when connecting different sentences, just to make ideas more and more understandable. Okay. Yeah, just as you see, although, though, even though, in spite of, despite, have much in common. Why do I say that they have much in common? It's because they seem to mean the same, okay? Let's see the following. Now you see, to make you understand more about this, you see, the use of although, we use it as a contrasting connector. Although is used as a contrasting connector. If mu Kinyarwanda isobanuye, Kinyarwanda although isobanuye nubwo, nubwo. For example, in a sentence, I can do it although, even though I am tired. I can do it although I am tired. Tuvuze ngo nabikora nubwo naniwe. I can do it although I'm tired. Semantically, cyangwa se mu bijyanye na sanse n'igisobanuro, you see, this sentence is similar to the following. Is ari interuro zisobanuye kimwe n'iyi nteruro yo hejuru yatanzwe mu rugero, zikaba zisobanuye nkayo, kugira ngo ubone ubundi buryo wakoresha atari orthodox, sibyo? Now I would like you to consider these sentences, at the same time thinking about this example here. Okay, I can do it in spite of my tiredness. I can do it in spite of my tiredness. That is to say, ahangaha ntabwo bavuga ngo in spite of ngo ni kimwe na orthodox. Ahangaha urabona ntabwo bavuga, urabona hano bikurikiranye na my tiredness, ntabwo bavuga ngo in spite of I'm tired. Bigize gute? Birabujijwe, ntabwo byemewe. In spite of my tiredness, I can do it. Hano kaza kundi rugero, I can do it in spite of the fact that I am tired. Mu mwanya wo gukoresha although, iyo bishatse ukoresha kangaka. In spite of the fact that, bisobanuye although, though, even though. In spite of the fact that I'm tired, I can do it. Clear? Now you can make up your own examples of sentences resembling this, just to get accustomed to using this these connectors without any glitch. Okay? Let's see the next. Hari utundi tuntu tujya turyoshya imvugo, umuntu yajya guhuza interuro bikaryoha kurushaho. Urugero, you see the use of rather, instead, on the contrary. Ibi ngibi birakoreshwa udashyizeho rather than, udakoresheje rather than, ukavuga rather ukavanaho than bikoresha. Don't add than, and or instead don't add of. Okay? On the contrary, ibi bivuze ahubwo, abantu batari bazi kuvuga ngo ahubwo niwakora ibi n'ibi niba ahubwo wagakoze ibi. You cannot do this and this, rather do this. Okay? Now let's see how we can manage to use them in examples to make you understand more about how we use them. Okay, are we together? I think so. Yeah. You see, for example, we should not help the poor on anybody's say so. Instead, we should try to find out what they need and do something about it. And we should not help the poor on anybody's say so. And how twagafashije abakene ari uko umuntu abivuze. Right? If you do something on anyone's say so, you cannot do it and prior to his or her saying. Uramanza ukareka kabivuga hanyuma ugakora. So ntabwo twagafashije abantu ariko tugombeye umuntu amanze avuge. Instead ka connector kavuga ngo ahubwo instead ni kimwe na rather na on the contrary byose ni bimwe. Instead we should try to find out what they need and do something about it. Ubundi twakagerageje kuvumbura ikintu bagize gute, ikintu bakeneye hanyuma tukagira n'icyo tugikoraho, sibyo? Now let's go on, and I think you can understand what I'm driving at now. Yeah. Instead, you see, instead, rather, on the contrary, can be used synonymously. So don't have any problem about how you can use them, about the meanings of this couple of words, for they mean the same. Instead, rather, on the contrary, can be used synonymously. Yeah, just as you have seen here. Okay, so don't have any problem. Don't have any problem here. Yeah. Now, it seems like today I didn't want to talk more, since you understand as easy as possible, just as you can tell me, just as some of you tell me through comments, and I beg you to write your comments, to let me know more about what you need through comments. And that is the way, that's also the foundation where I'm gonna say that my followers or my colleagues, those ones whose ambition is to delve deep English, need this and this. Okay, now mujye mugerageza kugira ikintu mubwira muri comments muti turabona aho dufite ikibazo ari ahangaha, hanyuma nanjye ngire gute nze icyo kibazo tukigire kitari ikibazo. Murakoze cyane kandi ndabakunda. Mwibuke gukora kuri subscribe na comments na share, hanyuma dukomeze turi kumwe. Isaac. Thank you.